We about to check the board right quick, y'all. Um, get this money on out the way real quick. Tennessee. Eight 8-1, 9-4-4, their first two draws. So I said I was just about to go over Ohio as an update, but I guess I'll just go over, do all three states. Shit. So we gonna first check and see what Texas got. Go down the board right quick. Texas 105, 283. Tennessee 8-8-1, 9-4-4. Ohio 7-5-1. Let's check the board right quick. Tennessee's morning draw. Tennessee and Texas morning draws. Both on top. Their midday draws on bottom. Ohio's midday draws on top. So with Texas hit box one. Texas hit box one straight. And box three. Box two. Tennessee 8-8-1. Nope, they flipped that. They flipped that 8. They flipped that 8 right here. If I add 3 to it, that's 8-1-1. They flipped that 8. They flipped that 8. And they almost hit box number 2. Yeah, they flipped that 8. That's what they did. So Tennessee still need to hit, so we still need to touch on Tennessee. And we need to touch on Ohio. Ohio midday 7-5-1. Let's go over these songs right quick. 15 canceled out. 13 for Texas. 17 Tennessee. 17 Tennessee. 13 Ohio. So Ohio 13. Texas 13. Tennessee 17. If I take 5 from this 7, if I take 5 from this 7, mirroring it, that leaves me 12. So they are all three states still in rotation. But I need to hit off 13 for Texas and Ohio. I need to hit off 13 for Texas and Ohio pair some. So let's see if we can chop this sheet down some. We need to touch Tennessee's 17 as well. So Tennessee's 17 is what we need to touch on. 13 and 17. I need to break in Psalms 13 and Psalms 17. 13 for Tennessee and Ohio, 17. For Texas and Ohio, 17 for Tennessee. So I'm going to just break through all three of them. These are my sums I need to break through for Tennessee, Texas, and Ohio. If you just popped on here, we was checking the board to see who all hit what. Texas was the only state that hit off this sheet, so we need to chop this sheet down some. We're going to chop this sheet down some because that's the good thing about the first few draws of the day, or like for some states, one draw, the first draw of the day. For example, Ohio, the first draw of the day is going to give you the clues on where to go and what to do going forward. Pay attention to the sums, though, for Texas and Ohio. 13 and 13, Texas' most recent draw. This is their midday. This is their evening. But 13 and 13. Pay attention to this sheet. Remember the sums that we said we was hitting on? You see the circle ones? We was on the sum. We was on the sum. We was on the sum. They just flipped around a little bit. Let's clear the board up, because this is what we need for Texas and Ohio. And we need this for Tennessee. Break down the numbers. Let's do Ohio first. Ohio, 751. Give me a sum of 13. 13. The 3 and the 13, if I take it from itself. Flipping it. 13 turns to 10. So this is what I'm working off of with Ohio. 10 and 13. Thirteen minus 1 is 12. 13 plus 1 is 14. 12 minus 1 is 11. 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. Bring my 4 down, which is 5 minus 1, giving me 4. Bring my 0 down. 5 plus 4 is 9. So as if I break these 3's down, and what I do breaking them down, I flip this one to a 0. I flip this one to a 6. Bring my 0, bring my 3 down. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. Where I'm at 9, 7, 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1, 7, 1. 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. I extended 9 because 9 is a powerful number. 9 is the flip of a 6. Okay. Ohio, Texas, and Tennessee update. If you just popped on here. So I got 13, I got 10. 13 minus 1 is 12. 13 plus 1 is 14. 12 minus 1 is 11. 10 minus 1 is 9. Three plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. I started with 13. I broke 13 down to 10. 13, 14, 12, 11, 9, 5 and 3 is 8. Box 1 or box 2 will hit no later than 5-3 evening. 5 and 3 is 8. So this is you, Ohio. Pick one of the two boxes. One of the two boxes. This you, Ohio. Follow the sum count. The sum count can potentially give you the pairs, and the pairs can potentially give you the number. So let's follow the sum count this time. Let's follow the sum count this time. Okay. Texas. Got Ohio. We got Texas. Texas. We're gonna do Texas and Tennessee. Let's do Texas. Because they got 13 as well. But what type of 13 did they get? So we just did Ohio's 13. Now we need to hit Texas. 283. Is giving me 13, just like it did in Ohio. So what I'm gonna do with Texas, we flipped the 13, so let's mirror the 13. Mirror on the wall. So this 13 would turn to 18. So off in Texas, 13. I had zeros on Ohio's page, so I need 9s, 6s, or 3s with Texas. Can't write Eve on their draw because they got a night draw. Texas got 4 draws a day. You can run up a bag in Texas. Okay. Texas, 13. 18. 13, 18. First so 13, 18. Thirteen plus 1 is 14. 18 minus 1 is 17. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. here just got 175, so let's count the other way. So 14 and 15, this is a 0 right here. And I can either double this or bring 13 back by dragging this 8 over. 13, 14, 15, 18, 17, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Bring my 0 down. 8 and 9 is 17. 5 plus 1 is 6. Bring my 1 down. 15, 16. Read it backwards. 1, 1, 6. 15, 16. 17, 18, 17. I need to go to 19. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 3 is 11. I only got one spot right here, so I need a 1. What's this? 19. All right. Hold on. 17, 17. 18. 19. 16, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 16 back down to 15. That's what I see for you, Texas. Yeah, that's what I see for you, Texas. Starting with this evening. Tennessee, 17. Tennessee can pretty much follow. I got 2 17s. Nah, Tennessee need a different page because they got 2 of the same sums twice. So Tennessee, you might have some easy pack coming in soon. The reason I'm saying that is because Tennessee mornings and midday draws both had sums of 17, but if you pay attention to this most recent number, they got the midday 944. If I mirror this 9, I'm taking 5 from it. That leaves me 4. Tennessee got a triple down there. So Tennessee got 944. But like I said, if I mirror this 9, that 9 goes to a 4. So they got two sums of 17. In the same way, if I do my mirror on the sum count, I'm taking 5 from the sum count. 17 minus 5 give me what? 12, which is what 4, 4, 4 multiplying itself equals. So Tennessee needs 12. Tennessee needs 12 off the 944. So I'm only gonna highlight the 12 on Tennessee because that's how we gonna work on with Tennessee is the 12 from 12. That's 12 as my pair. That's 12 as the sum. Let's do 12 and 11 on Tennessee to get y'all two sides. So that's a 12 side. We can do +1 or -1. We got 13s on Ohio and Texas. So let's do -1 and just do all 11s. So 11s. Texas and Tennessee. Ohio. Box number 2 is on the right side, Tennessee. Box number 1 is on the left side. Box 1, box 2, Texas. Ohio. Box 1, box 2. Okay. This is a follow-up off of this sheet. So look for Ohio and Tennessee to hit real soon. That's all I got for you, y'all. Texas, Tennessee, and Ohio. We'll talk about it later.